Hi guys.
Medical.
Wait. I'm doing something. I'm gonna teach you how to do this water dispenser. Only using water and glass and other blocks. So I'm gonna use this.
Balik mo na lang.
Ano?
Let's just use this.
No.
How to do this? Easy cleanup. And only using this. So beautiful. And you can
Asan yung salamin? Hawak ko lang kanina.
Problema mo na.
do this you can do this easily.
Asan yung salamin?
Only using these blocks
Tingnan mo nga doon. Wala ba doon?
and this water in here.
Mo.
Kaya nga eh. Binilang ako. Tumayo lang ako dahil hugasan ko namin eh.
Naman ka.
And you can also build.
Nakatayo ko na. Tumayo ka nga, Jonel. Baka nandiyan sa'yo.
Wala. And use ito pa, meron pa tayong pwedeng mabili.
Ayun.
Only using these
Pag-green mo
blocks
nga.
and
Baka mag-green.
lava.
Ano ko lang.
Lava bucket, and what should we use next? We don't need use block.
Meron mo na ako niyan sa bed. Chat ko si mama. Kasi salamin ako.
Build this.
Salamin na yan. Kakatayo ko lang yun.
Lumayas na yata mi eh. Lumayas na yata mi. Yan. Guys, okay. Using this.
Okay lang oh. Pupureno oh.
If you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers today, guys. And let's do this. Yes, you do that. And we need to get
Ba, birthday call? Parang lagi mo yata nagbe-birthday ko.
professionals only.
Matawag na ako eh.
Guys, tanggalin natin sa bit yan nandito. Mga lava dito. Titignan ako eh.
Ba't ba dyan tuloy yung gawa mo? Ay, si ano to ah?
Yan.
Yan oh. Yan oh.
Now,
Sa bakay ko
we're
ngayon.
gonna use,
Ah,
Si ano to eh?
we're gonna do it
Yung
again.
nasa ano? Si Nurse Karen.
Nasa mo na yan.
Now, we're gonna do this. Water this. Wait. Yo. If you wanna troll your friends, you can do this trap. They can do this trap with easy material. I mean, you can do this trap with easy materials. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Yan, guys. Tapos guys, kailangan natin kumuha ng arrows. Kahit anong arrows. O kaya poison. Hollow. Pwede din guys. So, ayun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi mo kasi yung ano eh. Ano. Wait. Hindi. 6 pala guys. Kahit ilan pwede nyo gawin guys. Basta ano lang. Kahit ilan. Gagawin kasi natin dito guys ay lalagyan natin to ng apoy. Malalagyan to ng apoy. Tapos ang mangyayari, so guys, you wanna troll your friends with this. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Ayan. Kailangan natin to mga to. Try nga natin guys.
Uy!
Mga apoy guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bakit? Mag-ano ka na ba?
Parang kulang. Ayaw ko kulang ah.
Oh,
Salamin na yung putang nakaka...
magkakit ka nga ng kahit isang galon.
Ayan guys.
Kakabitaw ko ng... Aka na akong... Nakababa ko lang. Report ko na.
Ayan guys. Ayan guys.
Moreno o yung...
Ano yan, Dal? Ano?
Guys.
Kat mo, saksak mo sa baga mo yung 2.5 mo. Mga second hand yan.
And guys, if you don't believe me, you can do this. Watch this. Look what we're gonna do. Any mob you can use. If any mob comes into your house and try to break into your door and try to kill you, look at what this can do. Look, it can kill the it can kill it.
Lalo na patulong niya sa mandili niya.
It got him on fire. Look, he's gonna die in a moment now. No, he didn't die. No. Oh, he's dead. There's so many arrows, guys. And lastly guys, we're gonna bust. We're gonna do something even cooler. Minecraft just released something. Oh, this is cool, guys. Try to look at this, guys. Let's get something. Let's do something. I'm gonna do something. Just wait, guys. Control, touch, and split control, so I can see. ay galing sa may ito. And guys, galing po yan sa may ganito. Para po siyang ano, they look like this. Let's get Blaze. Slash give Blaze. This Blaze spawn egg. Blaze spawn
Ano yan? Nabibisin mo lang to?
egg.
Minsan mo, lalaro mo na?
They look like this. Look, they look similar. And this is cute. And this is, we don't know this, pero ito yung bago. New mob. That's coming. Dahil nila guys. Tignan natin kung mapapatay pa na natin sila. You know what? I'm angry at y'all. No? You're not gonna do anything. No, but you're gonna pay for it.
Baba mo yung galon pa.
Tignan natin. Hindi pa kayo nagsasorry ah. Sabagay. Papatayin ko kayo. Papatayin ko kayo. Tara dito, ha? Goodbye, guys. Look at the blaze, guys. Ha? Ha? Ba't ka? Ba't ka? Yan. Di ka lang na. Bag. So that's all for it. That's all for it, guys. So see you in the next round. Bye.